Hey.
So you're going down, George.
It's like showing off Superman. Okay, let go for a second, Freddie.
Let go, Fred.
Alright then, if you can let go of George now.
And so let go of each
Freddie,
other.
you can let go of each other. Dangle.
Superman is letting his person fall.
Oh dear.
Try and face each other, boys.
Ah.
We kicked me in the butt. Remember, see if you can hold on to each other so you're not sort of going to bump into each other.
That's it.
Whoa, watch out. Big baby. No, don't do that.
Don't push him.
Oh. Come on, Kevin! Wait! Please! Please, 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 please. Oh, wait. Yes!